Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can fetch the item level custom field on document. So what is the fetch functionality? Suppose if you have added one of the item level custom field, on item you have added an additional field and there the data is filled. Now while creating the document, you want that once I select this particular item, the details will also come in the document. So from where you can do so, you need to go to all module, go to settings. Here you need to select documents. Now going below document fields. Now please check. This is one of the item level custom field dimension which I have created. Now I want this particular custom field data and custom field to be fetched in invoice. How you can do it? You need to select the document from here. Now go below. Here is the item details custom field. You need always remember that if you are fetching any details from item, that will go in the item details level on document. Click on add field. Here you need to go ahead and mention dimension. After that, data type will be text. Will it be mandatory or not? Show counterparty. You can select it. Now here you need to click on fetch from. Once you will click on fetch from, please check here the dimension from item is coming. Select it, click on save. Once I click on save, please check my custom field is added and it is fetch from items dimension. So whatever the data will be there in the item, that will come on my document once I select that particular item in the invoice. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to fetch that custom field on item. Have a good day ahead.